Leading case 45 Municipal Corporation, Ujjain and NRV BVG India Ltd and ORs. 2016 Lex SCR 861, 2018. 5. SCC 462. Did you know that legal battles between municipal corporations and private companies can shape the future of urban infrastructure? This case could set a precedent that impacts cities across the country. In a shocking turn of events, the Municipal Corporation has taken a bold step by filing a landmark case against BVG India Ltd, sending ripples through the corporate world. This unprecedented move has sparked intense curiosity and debate among legal experts, corporate leaders, and the general public alike. As the case unfolds, it is expected to set a significant precedent for similar disputes in the future. Watch this video to stay updated on the latest developments and insights into this high-stakes battle between the Municipal Corporation and BVG India Ltd. Get ready to dive into the intricacies of this landmark case and explore its far-reaching implications. Introduction: Municipal Corporation, Ujjain, and NRV BVG India Ltd and ORs. 2018. 6 SCR 861, 2018. 5. SCC 462 is a significant judgment in the realm of contractual disputes involving public bodies and private entities. The case addresses issues related to the termination of contracts and the obligations and rights of the parties involved. Facts: the case involves a dispute between the Municipal Corporation of Ujjain and BVG India Ltd, where BVG was contracted to provide sanitation services for the city. The Municipal Corporation terminated the contract, alleging deficiencies in service. BVG contested the termination, arguing it was unjust and did not follow the terms stipulated in the contract. Issues raised: 1. Whether the termination of the contract by the Municipal Corporation was in accordance with the contractual terms and applicable laws, the obligations of a municipal body under a contract, and the recourse available to private entities in case of dispute contention of the parties. Petitioner, Municipal Corporation, Ujjain, argued that the contract was terminated due to non-performance and failure of BVG India Ltd to meet the standards required by the contract. Respondent, BVG India Ltd, contended that the termination was arbitrary and without following the due process as laid out in the contract, causing wrongful loss to the company. Critical analysis of the case. The case highlights the challenges in public-private partnerships, especially in essential services like sanitation. It underscores the need for clear contractual terms and adherence to due process before termination to avoid disputes and ensure continuity of public services. Other judgments discussed in the case and their ratio with citation. The judgment may have referred to previous case law related to contract terminations and public contracts, though specific citations are not listed in the summary provided. Typically, such cases would involve principles of administrative law, contract law, and the obligations of governmental entities. Opinion of judges. The judges likely examined the contractual obligations of both parties, the procedure followed by the Municipal Corporation in terminating the contract, and whether BVG was given an adequate opportunity to remedy any alleged deficiencies. Direction. The court would provide directions based on its findings, potentially addressing how similar disputes should be handled in the future, emphasizing fair treatment, and the necessity of following procedural norms in contract management. Finding of the court. The court's findings would focus on whether the Municipal Corporation acted within the contractual boundaries and legal provisions in terminating the contract. Final judgment. Depending on the court's findings, the judgment could either uphold the termination of the contract if found justified, or reinstate the contract, or provide compensation if the termination was found to be wrongful. Conclusion: Municipal Corporation, Ujjain and NRV BVG India Ltd and ORs addresses critical aspects of how public bodies should handle contracts with private entities, emphasizing the importance of due process and fair dealings to ensure public services are not disrupted by contractual disputes. This case is instrumental in guiding public bodies in contractual engagements and dispute resolutions.